Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI desktop tutorial. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about many things, starting from the Drillthrough filter and report and functions and bookmark. So going from product details, if we need to create a Drillthrough filter, so we know how to use the drill up, drill down, but a Drillthrough filter allow you to navigate easy to the report. So if you go, for example, you need to filter through product name, and allow you to go just by clicking and you go to this product details. So I was going to say that from product details, first of all, deselect anything from here just by clicking on this empty space. Have page information, product details report, and page type. And from here, we will select drill through, this drill through filter. And add data, we need to filter our data based on the product name. This is from product name. Okay. And now you'll see there is an arrow created on the left. We can remove it from here. Now is the time to remove our product name slicer. We can remove our slicer, put back the same default. And if we go to the executive dashboard report, click if you need to, and if we need to filter and for any specific product type, click for it like I did, like for AWC lookup. Click on it, right click, drill through. You have the product details report, and boom, you'll see the data is changing. But if you need to make sure which product type that we are selecting, you can from insert from here, you can add card, and with this card you have this product name. You can add a product name. So instead of adding a slicer, you can add a product name in here, and this product name allow you to see which product type that we are currently looking for. Double click from formatting. From formatting, we have kind of the title, call out the value, and make it 14. This is bold. Okay. And I'm going to adjust a little bit. And keep it here. Alignment in the middle. And we have the label. We can keep the label, background. Okay. And callouts, from cards. I need to remove the border, background. I'm going to keep the background, change the background to this color dark, whatever you like. So now if I back to the executive dashboard, I will select a new product. I'm going to select mountain bottle cage, right click with the mouse, drill through, and product details, and you will see this mountain bottle cage, and all the data is shifted to this product name. So this is the drill through filter, allow you to navigate straight forward to the product details. Okay, and secondly, we have report interactions, how one visuals can affect on other visuals. If you select any specific data, you'll see everything's changing, the KPI, and there's the card in here. If you need to manipulate that, which one is changing, which one is not, you can go from home, format, we have edit interactions. Okay, we have three buttons. This is called crossover buttons. The one is the first for none. The second one is highlight. And the third one is filter. We need to select for a specific date. Okay. You can manipulate which one to stop and which one to highlight. This one is the highlight mode. You can change that to the filter mode. So if you back again to select any specific date, you can see it's changing from highlight to the filter mode. So allow is easy to check your orders from here. If you back to the highlight mode, so it's kind of intuitive type of options, allow you to manipulate whatever you like. You can keep it within the filter options. Okay, and also this is for the current month, and this is monthly. If you need to stop that, right click here, just click on this none. And now if you select any specific month, if you select any specific date, and you will not see this card changing. And you can do the same the report view, and if you need to keep this one, it's not changing, and you can do the same from here if you need to stop most ordered product type and most return product type. If you select any specific order from here, see the most order and the most return product type is not changing. So you can manipulate it wherever you like. Okay, and this is the report instructions, how one visuals can affect on the others. If I need to keep my current filter and create bottom in here, allow me to back to this current filter wherever I like. We can create a bookmark. So to do that, go from bookmark, we have add, and name this one clear. This is executive, clear executive filters. Okay, this is the bookmark name. And after that, go for search. We have buttons, reset button, and you will have the resetting from here on the left corner. You can double click. It's gonna format from bottom style. We have the current style is on default. Okay, and from that we have the icon. We can change the color from line colors. We can change it to the white, and we can change it to the white. And now it just currently bottom is not affect anything. So now we have to add the action to it. From action and the type, I'm gonna put this is bookmark. I'm gonna select clear executive filter, the one that we just created. And also we have within the bottom style, you can change the style. This is if it's on hover. Change the color for this on hover and put this type of color. Okay, so now if you go back, it's gonna go back now. You'll see if you hover with charge changing from white to blue. Okay, and now if you filter your data for any specific, if you filter your data for biking, and if you like to your default filter that you just created, all you have to do, you have to put Ctrl and click. Okay, you're back. If you go for clothing, you have to press on the Ctrl with your keyboard, and then the left button with your mouse, click on here. Okay, now let's gonna add custom navigation buttons. If I need to create 4 buttons, navigation buttons for all my reports and keep them there, so it allow me to easily switch between them, I can do that. Let's gonna create now just one page, or new page, we'll delete them after that. Okay, I'm gonna just copy, Ctrl C, back to this page, Ctrl V. I'm gonna create them and then delete this page and back. We have to go from insert, and then we have this button. From button, we're going to select the blank. And keep this blank, adjust it in the middle. Okay. Double click, and then we have the bottom style. First, we're going to back to the default. We need to back the default setting, and we have the icon. As from the icon, you select the icon type. You'll select the custom. From custom, allow us to bring our picture from here. So for this, for the dashboard, the first one, I'm gonna select the white dashboard first icon. Okay, and then I'm gonna back again. I'm gonna back to the apply setting 2. I'm gonna on hover. On hover, I'm gonna select remove this picture. I'm gonna put this is the blue one. Okay, and then I'm gonna want to press. If I need to easily switch between them, same browser, and I will choose the same this blue one. So if I hover now, you'll see from white to blue, from white to blue. Back again, click to the formatting, and then we have to put the action. We have to put the action. So this is button 4. You're gonna see the type 1, 2. This is page navigation. From page navigation, we have to put the destination. So the first one will be for executive dashboard. But since we are going to put the first one, is not showing, but let's gonna put it anyway. This for executive dashboard. Okay, and then I'm gonna Ctrl copy 1, 2, 3. This one here, put this one here, and I'm gonna copy another one. I'm gonna copy this one here. Okay, and now you have to go click on the second one. This is for the map report. You have to but apply setting 2 first, back on default, the first one, I have to put this icon, the white globe icon, and back again to the on hover. I'm gonna click this move one. I'm gonna put this blue one, and I'm gonna back again to the on a press. Remove this one, this globe one, blue. Okay, and then you go for actions. You have to, from actions, page navigation is the same, but the destination, this one is go for map. Okay, so now you can check. You see this, if you hover, you have the globe icon, and the third one you'll do the same. This is first on the default. Remove this icon. You have to put the white box for a product icon. You can put whatever icon you like, and back again on hover. Remove this one. Gonna put the blue. Gonna put blue box back again. Press. Remove this one. And gonna put this on okay. Okay. And go for action. Change the destination. This is for product details. And we have the fourth one. Click on here. Back to the force for default. Remove the current browse. And we have for customers, we have customers icon, the white one, and then from default on hover, and I'll remove the first one on hover. I'm gonna put the customer icon, and states on a press, and I'll remove this one. Also, we have both customer icon, the blue one. Okay, so now if you hover, you will have this is for customer, and this is for product, this is for map, and also this is for, and this is for the executive dashboard. Okay, it's gonna select all of them on format, align, and it's gonna, this is align center, and then align vertically. So now you can click get role. If you click get role and click, you will have executive dashboard, get role, and the second one you will have the map. Back again, get role, click, you will have the product, and get role, and you click, and you will have the customer report. Okay, you can take them all and highlight them all, and highlight them all. Go from here, go to the selection, and from here group. I'm just gonna group them. Double click, name it navigation buttons, navigation buttons. Okay, just click navigation button. So you highlight all the four. Control C, back again to the executive dashboard. Control V, map. Control V, product details. Control V, customer details. Control V. Close. Now we can delete this page we just created to arrange everything. Now if you back to the executive dashboard, Control and click, go for map, Control click, Control click. So it's easy to navigate through any report. So this is for this lecture. I hope all this information makes sense for you. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.